Have you ever felt trapped by stress and anxiety, wishing there was a simple, natural way to calm your racing mind and soothe your body instantly? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, stress can feel like an unwelcome constant companion, quietly draining your energy and clouding your peace of mind. But what if I told you that you could find relief right now by simply moving your body gently and connecting with your breath through yoga? Yes, there are specific yoga poses designed not just to increase flexibility or build strength, but to immediately lower stress levels, ease anxiety, and bring you back to a state of calm. Whether you're new to yoga or looking to deepen your practice, these 5 effective poses will help you relieve tension fast. No equipment needed, no expensive classes, just you and a quiet space. Before we dive in, I want you to take a moment and imagine what it would feel like to let go of the worries holding you captive, to breathe deeply without that tightness in your chest, to release physical tension in your shoulders and neck, and to cultivate a sense of inner calm that stays with you long after you finish your practice. This isn't a fantasy, it's very much achievable, and these yoga poses are your key. The first pose I want to introduce you to is the deeply nurturing child's pose, or balasana in Sanskrit. This pose is one of the gentlest ways to connect with your breath and surrender your body's weight into the earth beneath you. Picture yourself kneeling on the floor with your knees wide apart and your big toes touching, then slowly lowering your torso down so your forehead gently rests on the mat. Your arms can stretch forward or rest alongside your body, whatever feels most soothing. This position naturally relaxes your lower back, hips, and thighs, which tend to hold a lot of tension during stressful moments. More importantly, child's pose signals your nervous system that it's okay to rest, slowing your heart rate and helping you breathe more deeply. Spend a few minutes here, focusing on your inhale and exhale, letting your worries melt away with each breath. You might find tears welling up or a deep sense of relief washing over you, which is perfectly normal and part of releasing pent-up stress. If you want to make this pose even more restorative, try placing a folded blanket or bolster under your chest or forehead to support your body and help you relax even further. Moving from that gentle grounding, the next sequence involves a graceful dance between 2 poses, cat and cow, that together create a flowing spinal movement synchronized with your breath. Starting on all fours, with wrists directly beneath your shoulders and knees beneath your hips, you inhale as you arch your back, lifting your chest and tailbone upwards in a cow pose. This expansive movement opens your heart and stimulates energy flow throughout your spine. As you exhale, you tuck your chin to your chest, round your spine, and draw your belly in towards your spine in cat pose, gently stretching the back of your neck and releasing tension stored along your vertebrae. This fluid movement is like a gentle massage for your nervous system, increasing circulation and calming anxious thoughts. It also helps to reconnect you with your breath, which often becomes shallow or rapid when you're stressed. I encourage you to move slowly through this sequence for at least a couple of minutes, paying close attention to how your body feels as you inhale and exhale. Imagine each breath flushing out negativity and each movement inviting calm and clarity. This simple practice can be done anywhere, at your desk, on a yoga mat, or even in your living room during a hectic day. If you're looking for a pose that literally reverses the effects of gravity to soothe your nervous system, you will love legs up the wall pose, or Viparita Karani. This pose is a favorite among yoga practitioners for its restorative benefits and ease of practice. To get into it, simply find a clear wall space, sit close to it, and then lie on your back while swinging your legs up against the wall. Your sit bones can be right against the wall or a few inches away, depending on your comfort. Extend your arms by your sides with your palms facing upward, inviting a sense of openness and receptivity. Closing your eyes, focus on steady, slow breaths as you hold this pose anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. Legs up the wall helps reverse blood flow, reducing swelling in your feet and legs while calming your heart rate and blood pressure. This shift triggers the parasympathetic nervous system, your body's relaxation mode, making it easier to release stress and anxiety. Many people report feeling refreshed, clear-headed, and deeply relaxed after practicing this pose, making it a perfect antidote to a stressful day or a restless night. If you have tight hamstrings or discomfort, feel free to place a bolster or folded blanket under your hips for extra support. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Next, there's the invigorating yet calming standing forward bend, or Uttanasana, which encourages tension release in your neck, shoulders, and back, common hotspots for stress. To enter this pose, stand tall with your feet about hip-width apart and slowly hinge forward from your hips, letting your head and arms hang heavy toward the floor. You may bend your knees slightly to avoid straining your hamstrings or lower back. Allow gravity to pull your body downward, releasing tightness and inviting a sense of surrender. With each breath, imagine releasing layers of tension from your upper body. This forward fold also stimulates your parasympathetic nervous system and increases circulation to your brain, helping clear mental fog and reduce anxiety. You can stay here for 30 seconds to a minute, using slow, controlled breathing to deepen your relaxation. As a bonus, Uttanasana can help energize you when you're feeling sluggish while still calming a busy mind. Finally, no stress relief yoga practice would be complete without corpse pose, or Savasana, the ultimate relaxation posture. While it might look simple, lying flat on your back with arms and legs comfortably extended, Savasana is actually a powerful tool to reset your entire nervous system. Find a quiet, comfortable space to lie down, allowing your feet to fall naturally outward and your palms to face the sky. Close your eyes and shift your attention to your breath, noticing the natural rhythm without trying to change it. This pose encourages total surrender, helping your body integrate the benefits of the earlier poses. Staying here for 5 to 10 minutes can dramatically lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and help your mind settle into a deep state of calm awareness. It's common to feel waves of sensation, sounds, or thoughts during Savasana. Simply observe them without judgment and gently bring your focus back to your breath. This practice teaches you to find peace amidst chaos and is an essential part of managing everyday anxiety. Incorporating these 5 yoga poses into your daily routine can create a powerful buffer against the stressors that life throws at you. You don't need hours of practice or a fancy yoga studio. A quiet corner in your home, a yoga mat, or even a soft carpet will do. The key is consistency and mindfulness, approaching each pose with intention and a willingness to listen to your body. Over time, you'll notice that these gentle movements and breath-focused postures don't just relieve stress in the moment, but also build resilience, improving your overall mental and emotional well-being. So there you have it, folks. Remember, your body and mind are incredible tools for healing and calm. Sometimes all they need is your presence and gentle care. Take a deep breath now and imagine that calm washing over you. You deserve this moment of peace. Ready to begin? Grab your mat, find a quiet spot, and let's get started. Your stress relief journey begins here. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.